हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। सो आज के इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे क्लास 7th के बच्चों का मैथमेटिक्स। सो हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में जो बताया था अब उसमें इंटीजर्स के बारे में, तो इंटीजर्स में कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ हमने नोट कराई थी। सो उसी प्रॉपर्टीज़ में कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज़ आगे के जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं उसके बारे में हम जानेंगे। तो हमने पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, इंटीजर्स, होल नंबर, नेचुरल नंबर एक्सेट्रा, इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में आई हैव डिस्कस इन द प्रीवियस क्लास। इन द टुडेज क्लास आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एडिशन of integers and subtraction of integers, multiplication and division of integers. So without getting delay, let's start today's video. So properties of integers. Properties of integers. First property is closure properties. Closure property. Closure property. So within the closure property, we will discuss. We will find that for any integers, the addition of integers will always be an integers. Closure property under addition. Under addition, for any integer, a and b, a plus b is equal to integer. A plus b is equal to integer. So suppose we have two integers a and b. If we will add the integer, then again it will be a integer. Example, if a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, then a plus b is equal to 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 1, which is an integer. So you are getting that closure property under addition, closure properties of integers under addition will always be an integer. Next one is the commutative properties. Next is second one is commutative properties. Commutative properties. So under commutative properties, for any integers, a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Example, if a बराबर 1, b बराबर minus 4, then a plus b is equal to 1 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 3, b plus a is equal to minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. Thus a plus b is equal to b plus a. So you are getting that the integers shows the commutative properties. Means for any integers, if we add a plus b or b plus a, then if we replace the position of any integers while addition, then the resultant will always be same. This is the commutative property of integers. Next one is the associative property. Associative property. Associative property. Associative property for addition. Addition. This is again for addition. Yeah, under addition. This is again for addition. So addition. So for any integer, a, b and c, a plus b, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. It means that if we are making the association of a plus b and adding along with the association of a plus b with c, then it will be equal to, if we make the association breaking, if we break the association in this case, and then the sum will be equal. Here you are getting that a plus b are in association and b plus c are in association, but the final resultant will be same. Example, if a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 4, then a plus b plus c is equal to 1 plus 2 plus minus 4 is equal to 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1, and a plus b plus c is equal to 1 plus 2 plus minus 4 is equal to 1 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So you are getting that. Here. Thus a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So the addition of integers are associative. So we can say that the addition of integers are associative. Take a screenshot of this picture. Okay. Next property of integer is additive identity. Additive identity of integers. If we add 0 in any integer, we find the same integer. If we add 0 into any integer, then 0 is the additive identity in this case. For example, next one is the additive identity. Additive identity for any integer, a plus 0 is equal to a. A plus 0 is equal to a. Here 0 is called as additive identity. 0 is called as additive identity, means if we are adding 0 into any integers, then we will get the same integer. So here 0 will be known as the additive identity. Next is additive inverse. Additive additive inverse for any integer, for any integer a, for any integer a, minus a is additive, minus a is additive, minus a is additive inverse. It means that minus a is additive inverse such that a plus minus a is equal to 0. A plus minus a is equal to 0. It means that for any integers their opposite will be the inverse. For example, example a is equal to 1, then minus a is equal to minus 1, means if a is 1, then minus a will be their additive inverse, and the value of minus a will be minus 1. So I hope you understand about it. So okay, so write down about it. Write down, take a screenshot of this. Okay, next. So students, we have learnt about the addition of integers, several properties of addition of integers like the associativity, commutativity, and additive inverse, and additive identity, closure property. So we all have been learned by us in this chapter. So the next one will be the properties of integers. The next one will be the subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. So the property under subtraction of integer, what will be the property under subtraction of integers? So here again you will find the same things. In the subtraction case also you will find closure. So closure of integers of subtractions will all under subtraction will also be a integer, and the closure and the associativity of subtraction of integers, here you will find that the associativity of subtraction of integers is not associative. In the same way, the commutativity of the integers are not find same thing. So the properties of integers, subtraction of integers, we will discuss in the next video. So I hope you have learned something from this video. So इस तरह और भी लोगों को इस चैनल में जोड़ें, और जो है कि और जितने ज़्यादा बच्चे जुड़ेंगे यहाँ पे उतनी ज़्यादा लोगों की लर्निंग गेन होगी, और जो है कि हमको भी मज़ा आएगा फिर पढ़ाने में. ज़्यादा बच्चे रहेंगे, कमेंट्स होंगी, इसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर होगा. Then I will also get appreciations that the students are learning something from this channel. Okay students, so thank you for watching this video.